Mrs. Danny and the littlest member of our family, River. We are making our way around Australia with our home in tow. Subscribe to follow along and keep up to date with our adventures.
So we just rocked up at Lake Proserpine this morning. Seems like there's plenty of space here. Really open area, and you can kind of just pick where you want. You just have to be like behind a certain line. You can't go too close to the water's edge. I guess in case, like, I don't know, some freak amount of rain come and suddenly it came up high, your caravan got inundated or something like that, I'm not sure. Hard to beat the old campfire, eh? A peaceful afternoon.
We're just down at Rose Bay at the moment. We're going to try chuck the drone up around the corner at Horseshoe Bay. It's actually in the aviation zone, so we weren't able to get it up. It's a lot windier down here, but we're going to see if we can handle it and see how it goes. What do you got there, River? What do you got? A broom.
Daddy.
Cool.
Yeah.
I got a broom.
It's tricky to get through, isn't it?
Keep going.
Come on.
This is weird, hey? Wow!
What is that down there?
Look at this! Is Mummy gonna fit through? Oh, it's tight. Ow! I've got my head. Okay. Oh, I don't know.
Oh, Mommy, what is this?
I don't know. Don't put your mouth on it. So it's currently raining outside and super windy and cold, but Danny found a good fishing spot. So he's gone for a flick and we are just chilling in the car reading books, aren't we, darling? So do you reckon Daddy will actually catch some fish here? We haven't had much luck with fishing this whole trip, to be honest, except for Harvey Bay. So it looks like he's actually got something. He's finally got a fish. Should we go down and see?
Just down this little point here, on the Google Maps it said it was a fishing spot. It came down here, a 2 cast, second cast I got this pike. So I might have flick him back and see if I can get anything else. Just picked up another pike. Seems to be a bit bigger, this guy. Seems to be lots of pike around here. Done?
Daddy, done.
That's good. Alright, So we're about to leave Bowen, heading off to Townsville today. And it's always fun, the driving days, you know, it's always kind of exciting to go to the next place. So.
Hey guys, so we're here in Townsville. So we just drove up to Castle Hill Lookout. So we're gonna have a bit of a look around. It's pretty high, so it looks pretty nice. So we'll show you.
It's a little bit overcast. It's just still pretty nice up here. Might even throw the drone up for a bit, have a look around. Come on, you're good? Long way to go up, don't we? You want someone to carry?
Yeah.
Carry the little elephant. Daddy can carry the little elephant if you like. Yeah, so you can see Magnetic Island over there, its distance, and then all along the front here, then my finger there's a strand, so we're going to go visit there later. An old bunker, I think from like the war or something, or fully concrete. I don't think you can go in.
Nah, it's all locked.
Go around it.
So this is pretty cool. There's like views on both sides as we walk down. There's so many like little vantage points that you can stand at this lookout. It's actually really cool because you kind of get all different perspectives.
Yeah, so we just left Townsville this morning. We're going to Crystal Creek today, a little caravan park here. Just sort of mentioned that originally we had this big queen size mattress rolled up and on the top of the back of the ute here. Took that off and it's made a huge difference in fuel economy. Because originally when I first was towing the caravan, we were getting about 12.5 to 13 litres home kilometres. And yeah, at the start of this trip I had that big mattress on the back. It went up to 14.5 litres, and it took a while. I thought, oh yeah, that's probably the reason why, so I took that off. We're back down to 13 litres home kilometres now, so pretty happy with the fuel economy on this Geo Cannon really. We're towing a caravan, you know, the back of it's loaded up. Probably all up, we're probably 4.5 tonne, maybe a bit more. And yeah, it's pretty good really. Yeah, so that 1.5 litres home kilometres will make a massive difference over like a whole year of travelling. That, like, you know, considering it might be 20 or 30,000 Ks worth of towing, you know, that adds up a lot. Yeah, so we just dropped the caravan off at the caravan park, left it there. We're going to have a look at these few water holes and stuff around here. It's only like a 5-minute drive to this first one. It's only a 100-metre walk. So I'm meant to be some really nice ones around here. So yeah, stay tuned, you'll see a few of them. First impressions, this place looks really cool. It's quite big actually. Like there's a lot of area to swim around in. Like someone going snorkeling over there. There's another person on the paddleboard. Not too busy though, there's only a few people around. That's good. This is like really nice and clear. See that lady over there going for a snorkel.
Why do you got them swimming around?
What are they, River?
They got to them swimming around, Daddy.
What do you reckon they are?
They might swim around.
What are they?
Yeah, they always can swim around, Daddy.
Lots of little tadpoles there, isn't there?
Daddy.
They're probably like cane toads. Tadpoles, I'd say.
Daddy.
Yeah, there's little.
They're playing in the sand, Daddy.
What do you reckon they are?
They're playing in the sand, Daddy.
They're cane toad
They're-
tadpoles.
They're playing in the sand ones.
I'm pretty sure there's little black ones there.
Daddy?
Should we pick one up?
Yeah, can pick all of them and swim. Marty got to those ones.
Got one. Yeah, I got a little tadpole. So you can see there's a little tiny little tadpole there. Get a nice macro shot of him.
Mama, come see.
You
Talk
see
to
my
them.
wedding ring there all scratched the shit out.
Marty got to them.
Well, stop number 1 was a winner. Good start. Now we're on to the second stop, which is called Rock Slides, I think. So we'll see what that's like. See why this place is called Rock Slides.
It's so slippery.
Water's so clear and there's like so many fish swimming around here. It's cool. Don't know what sort of water. Don't really know what sort of fish these are. They're like got like some sort of like I don't know spotted pattern on them. If anyone knows what they are, let me know in the comments. I don't know. There's some sort of tilapia or something. It's like super slippery. On the edge of these rocks here, it's like slippery as. I guess that's what they call it, rock sliding, this place. But yeah, like when you walk in the edge here, you just slip straight in. It's like the black mold on there. Really nice spot though. Check it out, check the little waterfall out over there. It's awesome. This water is like just crystal clear. What do you think of that spot?
That spot was so cool. It was such a good spot to swim. Like, it was so easy to get into the water. Some of the creeks we've been to so far, you've got to climb down like a lot of rocks and it's real challenging to get in the water,
Yeah.
especially with kids, but that was really good. And there was like nice shallow bits where River was happy to like play for ages. The water was cool but not cold, so it was really good.
Yeah, it's nice and really clear water. Beautiful little spot. Easy to get to. It's only a 100-metre walk. Quite nice. Not very busy. Probably get pretty busy in summer, I'd say, but in winter it's pretty good time to come here because it's not too cold that you can't go for a swim. It's not super hot either, so it's pretty nice. Yeah, so that was yeah, probably one of my favourite waterholes so far I've been to. There's some other guys there. They went down the rock slide there. One guy fell over and almost cracked his head. Yeah, the other guy went backwards and almost hit his head. I'm like, oh geez, you can see where people have died there. Said big sign there saying a few people have died here. So
Don't be stupid
yeah, don't
on
be
the
stupid.
rocks.
But yeah, you know, everyone wants to have a bit of fun. That's all good. The third stop on our travels today. It's another cracker. Check this one out. if you're up this way, definitely stop into Crystal Creek. Look at this, some beautiful spots here.